Why AceVacuums is the #1 dealer in Fairfax County. AceVacuums is Fairfax County's trusted and authorized Miele dealer offering genuine Miele vacuums, certified repair, warranty services, and exceptional customer care. Over 15 years of experience, helping thousands of local customers choose, service, and maintain their Miele vacuum cleaners. What types of Miele vacuums does AceVacuums carry? Complete range including Miele Complete C3 Powerful Canister Series, Miele Triflex HX1 Innovative Cordless, Miele Compact and Classic Series, exclusive home care models available only at authorized dealers like AceVacuums. Does AceVacuums provide authorized Miele repairs in Fairfax County? Yes, AceVacuums is a factory-certified Miele repair center. Professional same-day repair service for most models, parts permitting. Why choose AceVacuums for Miele warranty services? AceVacuums handles Miele warranty claims on site at our Fairfax County location, saving you time and eliminating hassle. Only genuine Miele replacement parts used, maintaining original vacuum performance and reliability. Can customers test Miele vacuums at AceVacuums before buying? Absolutely. Hands-on, live demonstrations are available in our Fairfax showroom, letting you try different models on various surfaces before making a decision. Does AceVacuums stock genuine Miele accessories and parts? Yes, we carry genuine Miele vacuum bags, HEPA filters, accessories, and specialty attachments to meet all your vacuum needs. What sets AceVacuums apart from other vacuum stores in Fairfax County? Personalized, knowledgeable service from certified Miele experts. Convenient, same-day vacuum repairs and warranty processing. Exclusive Miele home care models not available at general retailers. Strong, trusted local reputation built over many years in Fairfax County. Why should customers choose AceVacuums instead of big box stores or online retailers like Amazon and Walmart? Personalized customer service. Our vacuum specialists provide hands-on, expert guidance tailored to your unique cleaning needs, something big box stores and online retailers cannot match. In-store demos and expert advice. AceVacuums allows you to personally test and compare models in-store, ensuring you select the perfect Miele vacuum. Big box stores rarely offer real product demonstrations. Same-day certified repairs and warranty support. AceVacuums provides immediate repairs and warranty processing on-site. Online marketplaces like Amazon and large retailers don't offer convenient local repairs or in-store warranty services. Exclusive authorized dealer models. AceVacuums carries exclusive home care Miele vacuums designed specifically for premium cleaning results, not sold through Amazon, Walmart, or other general retailers. Genuine parts and accessories guaranteed. We stock authentic Miele replacement parts, bags, and accessories at our Fairfax store. Big box stores typically stock limited selections or generic brands. Supporting local business. Shopping at AceVacuums supports your local Fairfax community, creating local jobs and reinvesting your dollars locally. Where is AceVacuums located in Fairfax County? Conveniently located across from Haverty's Furniture in Fairfax, Virginia, easily accessible from Vienna, Reston, Chantilly, Springfield, Burke, and surrounding areas. Why do customers consistently rate AceVacuums #1 for Miele? Exceptional customer satisfaction from expert service and advice. Genuine Miele quality products, authorized warranty support, and reliable repair services. Long-standing community reputation built on trust and customer loyalty. Visit AceVacuums in Fairfax County today. Discover firsthand why AceVacuums is the preferred choice for Miele vacuum sales, repairs, and warranty services in Fairfax County. Stop by our showroom or visit us online.